Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by tearing day-old bread into small pieces to speed drying. This increases surface area so the microwave toasts instead of steaming. Arrange a single layer on a microwave-safe plate so air circulates between pieces. Lightly spray or brush with 1 tsp oil if you want flavored crumbs. This helps browning. Set power to medium or 50% to avoid burning. Start with 45 seconds, then check. You are controlling moisture, not cooking the bread. Once pieces feel dry and slightly brittle, cool them for a minute so trapped steam dissipates. This prevents soggy crumbs when grinding. Transfer small batches to a grinder or food processor and pulse in short bursts to reach coarse or fine texture. Pulse more for finer crumbs. If you prefer rustic crumbs, stop early. Make sure you grind in small batches to avoid overheating the machine. You are managing texture by pulse length, not continuous spinning. You finish by spreading crumbs on a sheet and testing moisture. If any chew remains, re-dry in 30-second bursts at 50% power, shaking between cycles, then re-grind. Once fully dry, cool completely and pack airtight to preserve crunch. Label with date. Frozen crumbs last months. If crumbs clump in storage, they retained moisture. Reheat on a tray for a few minutes and cool, and that resolves it. Make sure to avoid overheating. Burned crumbs are unusable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.